Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It's December 11th, 2022. We've got another rain event on the way. We take a look at satellite and radar this afternoon. We can see quite a few clouds in our region. Now, some of those clouds may thin as we go through the day, starting to see some patchy sunshine here in Massac County. There's also a few patches of drizzle around the area. We see more substantial rain to our south, and that is an indication that moisture is pooling to our south. And when a storm system forms out to the west, Monday and Tuesday, it's going to pull some of this moisture northward, and we're going to have widespread rain. We're going to have some patchy fog tonight. Temperatures may fall below freezing in some counties, and you'll want to watch any bridges or overpasses, elevated surfaces. Sometimes that fog can produce just enough moisture to put a thin layer of ice on certain surfaces. Let's take a look at Futurecast radar. We're going to see how this system that we've been talking about for several days now will evolve as it moves into our region. A deep low will develop over Kansas, Nebraska. That's going to bring winter storm conditions across the Dakotas into Minnesota, even some ice into Iowa. Rain showers and thunderstorms developing along the cold front ahead of it. Severe weather expected to our south. Right now, it does not look like we're going to experience any severe weather locally. I do not expect severe weather locally. I believe the higher dew points will stay to our south. We'll keep an eye on it, but all of the data indicates the severe weather will stay to our south. As we move through Tuesday morning, we're going to see rain start to move into southeast Missouri, and then as we move into the afternoon and evening hours, we'll stop here Tuesday night, widespread rain over our region. I expect the bulk of the rain to be Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. And then as the system advances off to the east, the rain will push out Wednesday. I do have scattered showers in the forecast for southern Illinois, West Kentucky, and perhaps Northwest Tennessee into Wednesday. We may see some lingering showers. Keep that in mind. Otherwise, the bulk of the system will push off to the east. That will leave us with clouds Wednesday. Total rainfall amounts right now, 0.6 of an inch to 1.25 inches, somewhere in that range. Locally higher totals. We were thinking of widespread 1 to 2 inches. Data has trended down a little bit on rain totals. If there are some thunderstorms embedded in the rain, then you could have locally heavier rain amounts. We do need the rain. We're still in drought. I know some of you have had rain over the last 2 weeks, some places more than 3 inches the other day. So you may not need quite as much as others, but we are still in drought. So this storm system will sweep off to the east, and then Wednesday will still be mild. The cold front kind of lags the system, but once the cold front moves in, much colder air arrives as we move into Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Highs may struggle to reach 40 degrees Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Could even see some snow showers in the area, not expecting accumulation. Sometimes snow showers can produce a quick dusting, but we're really not expecting much if we do have them at all. More likely, Indiana, Northern Kentucky, Ohio is going to have those snow showers, but they may creep into our region as well. I continue to watch precipitation chances around Christmas. It's a long shot, but there will be cold air. Let me show you one of these graphs I loaded earlier. This is the GFS model. Let me show you the temperature anomaly that it's forecasting. You can see right now above average temperatures as we move into Monday and Tuesday. And then watch what happens as we push deeper into the week. There's that cold front. You see the much above average anomalies, that pink area there. Temperatures will be above normal, but a pattern flip is developing. We've been watching this for a while and expecting cold air around mid to late December to pour into the nation. And boy, does it. Look at the temperatures, December 19th, December 20th. This is the temperature anomaly map. That means below average temperatures over a large section of the nation, much below average in the pink zone. As we move into the 21st, 22nd, another wave of cold air moves in, and then around Christmas, bitterly cold air across a large chunk of the nation. We'll see if this verifies. It does have a lot of support from different models. It's going to get cold. The only question is how cold. Then the next question will be moisture. Let me back this up a little bit and show you. As we move through next weekend into the following week, this is December 18th. You can see a system to our south. We'll keep an eye on that one. Another one around the 21st. That one skirts to our south. Again, this is a long-range model, so accuracy may not be all that great. We always have low confidence past day 5, especially in the winter and autumn months. models don't do that well in the extended range, but these systems do have support from other model data. So we do believe there will be a couple of systems to monitor as the cold air comes in, gusty winds with all this cold air as well. And then another system around the 25th, 26th, 27th, we've been watching the Christmas system. Sometimes the models have it, sometimes they don't, they take it away. Again, long range models struggle with a pattern like this, a lot of moving parts. So an active weather pattern, we'll keep an eye on it. We'll see sometimes we get this cold air and it's just cold all the way to the Gulf of Mexico. And when that happens, the systems tend to be suppressed southward. And when that happens, it snows in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and we miss out. If the cold air isn't quite as strong of a push southward, then perhaps we can get precipitation in our area. We'll keep an eye on it, lots to watch. Right now, the main concern will be locally heavy rain, Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night, some thunderstorms embedded, no severe weather, few showers Wednesday, and then turning colder Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday into next week. Maybe some snow showers as the cold air comes in this weekend, gusty winds as well.